Instagram, how to switch back to personal account. If you wish to switch back to your personal account, it's very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is launch the Instagram application first. And let me come to my profile page. I'll just tap the three lines from the top right hand side of the screen. Currently, I have got a business account because this is indeed a business profile. What I have to do is, I have to simply scroll down and tap on account type and tools. You might see creator tools and controls or maybe business type and tools, but in my case I'm saying account type and tools, so I'll select that. Now when I do this again, I'll find various options. I can go to account type that says professional from the very top. When I select account type, I can simply select from personal account type to maybe personal. So I can select that and I can tap on switch account type over here. You can see the small button here and tap on switch account type and select switch to personal account. This way you can switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.